My landscapers have mauled enough outdoor lights that I need to redo them. So I was looking for something a little different. I saw these looked really very different, and I thought, ooh, so I thought I should get those, install them, see what they're like, because if I thought they were wild, then you're probably looking at them thinking, are these things worthwhile or not? So there's only one way to find out, right? Let me show you these real quick, and then I'm gonna take them outside, set them up, and we'll see how they work. So obviously it comes with a whole bunch of stakes. If you've ever seen the channel before, this is most definitely going to be a complaint because they cheap out and they use regular Phillips head screws, and it is always so difficult to put them in the mounting. So here's what these little lights look like. Look, they are uniquely different than most, and this one looks like it's broken already. Wait, let me see if this one looks the same way. Nope, looks the same way, I was wrong. These are uniquely different. They're supposed to be brighter and more of a floodlight, so it should be really cool effect in the yard. They're obviously IP65 waterproof, 10 watts. Only one thing to do. Let me take them outside, set them up, show you what it's like to set them up, and then we'll come back at night and see how they're working. All right, I don't know how well you can see them, but there's a line of lights here that have been crushed by the gardeners, so we're going to upgrade it with this new set. Let's do it. Okay, I got a little demonstration for you. Yeah, why that is the dumbest design ever, and is so common with these kind of cheapish kits on Amazon. Because look, take the screwdriver, and I got a nice long screwdriver here, right? But here's the stand. You want to attach this, and there is no way to get really a good straight shot at this, because like no matter where you kind of put this, it's at an angle. If you get it all the way down here, it's only at like this angle. There you can see it's like at that angle, which all this does is lead to stripped screws. Stupid, 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 just being cheap. Anyway, I'll deal with it. You'll deal with it too, because it's kind of the only option. All right, let's install it. All right, first step, we need to flip the switch, see if they work, and then if they do, we will come back tonight and I'll show you what they look like at night. All right, let's go flip that switch. Okay, you can certainly see they definitely have power and they are making light. We'll come back tonight when it's dark, set them, and see what they look like. Okay, this is just, you want to know what the normal ones kind of look like. That's what the normal ones look like in the front of the house. I have to say, I have not set these around the back. So it is party mode out here. Okay, these look crazy. Let's check them out, like in a good way crazy. Yeah, it's a little bit of party mode going on here. I gotta say, they are certainly vibrant and colorful. I'm gonna have to turn them into like just a solid color. Can't have party mode going on here all the time. But yeah, this is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. These things are ridiculously cool. What a phenomenal success. All right, hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.